Hi, I'm Anastasia, the Manifesting Oracle, and I am thrilled that you landed on my channel. So, do you really want to know the real secrets to manifesting money fast? I'm not talking about big affirmations, and I'm not talking about hoping for a miracle. I'm going to give you proven, powerful techniques that will help shift your energy into a state where you can create financial abundance quickly. Stick around because in this video, I am revealing the exact steps that you need to take in order to align your mind, emotions, and energies so that money flows continuously into your life. The real secret to manifesting money quickly lies in mastering a combination of mindset, energy alignment, and actions. So let's get into these steps now, shall we? Okay, so the first step I want to give you, this is the first step that I believe is the most important, okay? And it is shift your money mindset and remove limiting beliefs. Okay, and I want to give you an example of what I'm trying to convey. And this involves me as a child growing up in my father's household. He had literally programmed me for the duration of my childhood, all the way into my early adulthood, that you need to work really hard to earn and create money for yourself, okay? And that includes going to college, working 10-hour shifts a day, 7 days a week, like you need to put your nose to the grind 24/7, okay? And so, of course, since I was programmed with all of that as a young child, it carried on into my adulthood and into the workforce. And so naturally, that's what my mindset was when I entered into the workforce, was work tirelessly until I had no energy left, okay? And I have to say, honestly, that mindset really depleted me of a lot of vital health and energies, okay? And it left me stressed out all the time. So I have learned for the last few years to change that mindset to money flows to me easily. I can sit back and literally money flows right into my lap. Falls out of the sky from nowhere. Okay, so that's what I mean by changing your mindset and removing all limiting beliefs, okay? And they're going to be unique to you, what they are. Okay, so basically, to summarize, this first step is just reprogram your mind and believe that money flows easily to you, okay? And that you are worthy of abundance, okay? You are the money and the wealth, okay? So let's change your mindset. Okay, let me give you step 2. Elevate your emotional vibration, because money is energy, okay? And how do you do that, you might ask? Well, it's simple, really. You just stay in the mindset of gratitude. Be generous, be grateful for any amount of wealth that you might have right now, or any amount of wealth that comes your way, okay? And it can be small or large amounts, it doesn't matter, okay? And stay excited about the wealth that does come to you, okay? Because the wealth is already flowing to you. Know that you are abundance, and know that you are already wealth. You are already wealthy, okay? And that money literally flows continuously into your life, okay? You are a money magnet, okay? So elevate your emotions and stay in the state of gratitude. Always be grateful and thankful for everything that you receive. And by the way, I have never known a poor, generous soul. Okay, I just want to give you another helpful technique that you can use. And this may work for you, or you might not feel comfortable doing this, but I want to give it to you anyways, because for some people this works amazingly well, okay? And that is visualize yourself already possessing the money that you desire, okay? Feel the emotions. Get into that state of feeling it real. Like, how are you going to feel with this abundance of money that's lavishly, continuously flowing into your life? I mean, get excited about it, okay? Feel it real. Now, I personally don't use this technique, but I do know a lot of people that use it and have phenomenal results, okay? That is just not the technique that works for me, okay? The techniques that always work for me is speaking my desires into existence. That is the most powerful way for me. And then scripting. Those two techniques work miracles for me, literally. But I cannot scratch this particular technique because, like I said, it does work for some people. Okay? So I want to give you a bonus step that I believe is probably the most important one. And I believe you guys need to know that it is essential that you identify and release any internal, subconscious, or spiritual blocks towards money. And what I mean by that is, if you have any beliefs in your subconscious mind that money is the root of all evil, money is evil, or you have to work tirelessly, 7 days a week, 60 hours a week to create and generate money, okay? Those are the limiting beliefs that I'm talking about that need to be not only deleted and plucked, okay? They need to be reprogrammed, okay? And you can use techniques like affirmations, powerful affirmations, to reprogram your subconscious mind, okay? To believe that, you are worthy of wealth, okay? You're worthy of abundance, and that money literally flows to you easily and effortlessly, okay? Choose affirmations that will literally reprogram your limiting beliefs, okay? So in summary, I just want to say it is perfectly normal, natural, and okay if you love money, if you're trying to manifest money and wealth. It is perfectly all right, okay? Money gives you options, okay? And if you have any limiting beliefs whatsoever towards money, it's going to be a roadblock, okay? You will not be able to manifest money quickly with a plethora of roadblocks, okay? So those roadblocks need to be knocked down, okay? It's essential. So, like I said, it is perfectly okay to love money and want more of it, okay? And speaking of love, in my next video, I will be talking all about love, okay? I am going to literally give you some methods that I personally use that will help you either learn to love yourself or become love itself, or to create your perfect SP, or create your perfect love story, okay? So, like, share, comment down below, what is the wildest thing that you manifested in your life? I would love to hear back from you. And share my video, like it, subscribe, because I know you do not want to miss my next video.